Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a flashlight comparison. This is an old B-Lite. This is the one the cops used to use back in the day for D cells. This is a brute. Boy, this is solid. I wouldn't want to meet the wrong end of this thing on a dark night. Anyway, this is a classic, an antique. Nothing special about this one, just as it came out of the box. Then I've got a Mag-Lite. This one is running on two 26 650 lithium ion batteries with a 5 LED drop-in. This one works pretty good. Then I've got a 6 C-cell Mag-Lite. This one's running two lithium ion 18650 batteries, and it's just got an LED replacement bulb. It's a good little standby, nice and light. Should be heavy, but it with the lithium ion batteries in there, it's nice and light. Then I got a Phoenix UC35, one 18650 battery in that one. This is a nice little flashlight. This is my everyday carry. I use this one all the time. It's a good light. Okay, we're going to start. I'm going to turn off the lights. We're going to start with the B-Lite. There we go. Can you see that? This is what they used back in the day. It does the job. Nothing fancy. This thing would be more for I don't know. This is just a classic. I like to keep it around. Then I'm going to go to my 6 C-cell Mag-Lite, and this one's got the two 18650 batteries in it. Quite a bit brighter. Works good. This one's got the advantage of having the zoom in it. But I just leave it bottomed out. It's got a nice spot on it. This is actually a very nice flashlight. Nice and light to carry. Okay, so that is my Mag-Lite 6 C-cell with two 18650 batteries in it. That works good. Now we're going to go to the modified Mag-Lite, the 3D cell with two lithium ion 26 650s in it. This one's nice. Really lights things up. This is a nice camping flashlight. Really, it's got a nice beam on it. Probably I was going to say one of my favorites, but they're all my favorites. Here's the Phoenix. Pretty wimpy. That's low power. There's the second power. Not bad. Middle power. This is probably the one I use the most, is this power. Bump it up one more. That's high power. And now it's going to go to turbo power. It kind of washes out. but this one's actually quite bright. This is supposed to be 960 lumens, this turbo power. And it's actually really quite bright. I'll bump her down to, there's medium power. This runs on one 18650 battery. And the UC35, you can charge this one with a USB plug, which is nice. So this is a good one to carry in the vehicle with you all the time. Or actually, it's good to carry with you all the time. Anyway, that's my collection. Thanks, YouTubers.